there are basically three different types of audit you're going to come across. There's a company audit where somebody will go, like, general company audits, you don't come across them very often in film. They're more, but shareholders might say, I want the company audited, or ASIC might go, I want the company audited. And that's where an external audit comes in and looks at all the income and expenses of the company, does an audit report saying, yes, this is the profit of the company, we've checked this, we've checked the bank accounts, we've looked at the valuation of assets, liabilities. Larger film production companies, like if you had a company, say for example Matchbox, they might get audited because they've got foreign shareholders or something like that. I don't know, I don't have anything to do with them, but that sort of company audit. A production audit is where the production is audited at the request of the investors. So this is negotiated during the investors, and the investors might say if you've got ABC coming in, they might go, we want a production audit. So at the end, we want an auditor to come in and confirm where all the money was spent, make sure it's spent where you said it's being spent, and that sort of thing. Mostly in larger projects with Screen Australia or ABC or an institutional investor will require a production audit. At the independent end, investors don't very often require it because it's a cost and they'd rather see the money up on screen. And the last type of the audit is a producer offset or Pdv audit. As part of the process for applying for the producer's offset, once you've got your general ledger done and you've done your quote spreadsheets, they go to an external auditor who gives an opinion just on the producer's offset and says, yes, this looks like the right amount to be claiming for the producer's offset, or the Pdv audit. So it's a very specific audit just done, and it's part of the process before you actually go into Screen Australia or the department. You're required to get an audit.